Okay, we made it back to the job after repairing the pump. We're getting that big grotto, trying to finish that thing up. Got my pumper going, we're mixing up the mud. This thing pumps about 900 pounds at a time. And Carlos is here mixing it up. Say hi, Carlos. Travis over here with this really spectacular short pants. We really like those. So we're gonna spray it on the feature. We did the back already and sprayed it on there. We did get almost a full batch out before the stator got a little piece of cement in it, so fried it and I had to go take it to the shop and fix it. Another 350 bucks. But you know what? That's what happens sometimes. But it's all good, we're back in action. So we're gonna be putting it on the front of the feature now. The overall front that you see from the house and stuff. And that's that part right there. We're going to be trying to get as much of that done as we can. Chris is scraping and scratching off the stuff we did yesterday. So, got my little compressor, got my tunes. Got to have tunes when you're doing this so you can kind of keep your brain in a chilled out kind of state of mind. So, this is the area we're going to be blowing cement on. I need to leave areas where I can walk while we come back and finish it, because we don't just spray it and walk away, we have to grind it and scratch it. It's going to go through this nozzle, and sometimes it gets clogged, so you have to pull this rubber top off and refit it and get the little stone out or whatever's going on there. So, excuse me. Waterfall is going to start here. That big 2.5 inch pipe is going to have a 90 going down. It's going to well up and just bounce all the way down into the pool, which is many feet below. So I don't want to fall down. That would hurt. So we're rocking and rolling here. Back in action again after a little bit of a delay there, but it's good to go. So we'll see what happens today.